Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?
Hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
We're now doing our $6 car wash for our car.
Yeah, let me just grab my purse.
Yep. And we're about to do this $6 thing, and let me pay for it right now.
Here's. I thought.
Oh shoot! Sorry, the car wash is temporarily closed.
Oh no!
Oh, this sucks. Oh no!
Oh
Now I gotta drive backwards. This sucks. This is hard. Hold on, this is hard.
Why? Next time.
We were so excited.
I know. I think someone got stuck in there.
Yeah, someone did get stuck in there.
There's someone in there, huh?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Man, they should have put some cones up in here.
Yeah, they should have.
Because earlier there was like 5 people here.
Yeah,
huh?
we went here earlier, but
Yeah.
we don't want to wait for over 30 minutes.
Yeah. But there's another car wash place that we gotta go to. Yeah, we need to get a car wash because it actually rained for 2 days here in Southern California. So yeah. All right, off to the next one.
Yep. So we're here at another car wash place.
Yeah, for $6.
$6.
Yeah. Here, you want to go down and take a before?
Yeah, since I don't know if you can tell it, but it's really dirty right now. Oh no.
Okay, that was quick. Okay. Wow, that's cool. Someone's guiding us.
Yeah. Okay, go.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, this is cool. Okay, perfect.
Car neutral. Okay. Okay. Feet off pedals. Hands off wheel. Okay, cool. Oh wow!
Oh, this is cool!
Oh damn! Oh shoot!
For
This is so
$6.
awesome!
Oh my gosh!
Oh wow!
Oh!
I want to buy this!
Everything is all the windows are up, right?
Yeah, all the windows. Oh no, I forgot one. Yeah, right.
Oh shoot! You just scared me! Oh no! You just scared me.
Oh wow, this is so cool. I can't see anything.
I can't see anything.
Oh my gosh. Hey, this is better than the shell one. Huh?
I know. I think this is better than the shell one. Okay.
This is so A for awesome. Oh wow. Oh. Here's the wax. And here's the blow dry. Dude, this is fast. Alright.
Yeah. There's the blow dryers.
Oh wow.
Super dry.
Car wash hours 7 a.m. to 8 p.m.
Okay, what's this?
It says wait.
Wait.
Wait. Okay, I'm waiting. Go!
Oh, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram
Oh, wow.
for special deals.
This is so good!
This is so cool.
Alright, let me wipe the rest of
Okay.
this car.
Should we?
Yeah, and go down and just check it out. So this is the after. The before was kind of dirty. And let me wipe it out. The towel's at the back, right?
I have a towel here.
Oh, it's here.
Yeah.
Oh, never mind. Alright, I'll just...
Why did you?
It's okay, I'll wipe it.
No, you don't do that.
It's okay. Come on, let's go.
Okay.
Let me me turn this sucker off.
Ooh, it's nice and clean now.
That's pretty cool, huh? For a
Yeah.
$6 car wash.
Do we need a vacuum?
No. We have a.
This is free, I think.
Is it free?
Yeah.
5 minutes maximum. Oh shoot, it is free.
Okay, let me do the vacuum and then you do the wipe.
Okay.
Okay, let's start the vacuum. Oh shoot, there's still some.
Wet spot.
Yeah. Push to open. Oh, there. Excuse me.
Okay.
There's.
Some soap there.
No, it's not. Oh, there.
What an idiot.
It's not. No, it's. I don't have anything to suck.
The front one. Well, we just finished our $6 car wash, and wow, it even did the rims too. Oh my gosh, this is so awesome. Wow, cool, all for $6. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm still wiping it just a little bit right here, but it did the job pretty well. This is cool. Well, we're now here at Balboa Island, and we're actually not on the island yet, but we're gonna hop on the island in a few more seconds.
Yeah, hopefully.
Yeah.
Hopefully we can go into the island.
Yeah, hopefully, yeah, we can, because there's like a lot of people inside.
People.
Yeah, or there is people living there, but I mean there's like a lot of traffic going inside.
Going inside.
Because it's just a one way in, one way out. So, yeah. So here we are, the one way in, one way out. Yes, there's not that much people. So we're now entering Balboa Island.
Oh, there's all the
the
boats,
yachts and the boats.
and the private dock and you know, $1 million house,
Yep.
multi-million-dollar houses.
Even though back then this place was really affordable, but then the market shot up, and then yeah, now it's $1 million homes. Oh well, it is what it is.
Oh, there's the banana, the frozen banana.
Yep, and there's the frozen original bananas.
There, it's the frozen banana.
Yeah, this traffic's not bad at all.
Oh yeah, because the last time we went here,
It was
we're
like-
also vlogging.
Who is? Oh, the one in front of us? Oh.
No, they're taking
Oh,
pictures.
pictures. Oh, okay.
Oh, since 1945. That's,
Since 1945.
wow, that frozen bananas.
Yeah.
We need to try some frozen bananas.
I know.
There's a lot of half-naked
These
dude there.
these people just got out of the beach.
I know. Frozen bananas. Oh shoot. So we are heading to
The ferry.
The ferry.
It's gonna go to what's this? From Balboa Island to Balboa Peninsula.
Oh.
Yep.
Oh no. Is it gonna be a long wait?
Wait, we'll find out. No, we're moving. Last time we were like stuck up to here already.
Yeah.
We're good, we're good.
We're good.
There's no special event. They're all in Huntington Beach
Yeah.
for the US Open.
There's all the houses here. They're all cute.
Yeah, small and cute.
I know.
And expensive. Now expensive. Yep, there's no line.
Oh, there's no line.
Oh, and this is where the line begins, which is normal. This is normal already.
Oh. Look, we decided not to go.
Yeah, because the line's too long. It'll take
no.
It'll take us an hour.
Or more.
Or more. So it's all good.
Yeah. Next time. Next time.
Yep, next time. It's where we didn't go to the ferry because there was a lot of traffic, even here too.
Yeah.
But right now we're in Corona Del Mar, where all the mini small businesses are, and all the yeah. And we're stuck in traffic.
Yeah. I think because everyone wants to go to the beach.
Yeah, beach or just going around.
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
Like coasting.
Yep. But yeah, we are on our way to Newport Coast. Cool, I beat all the oranges.
I know.
Oh, this store right here on Q is pretty cool. They have like name brand
It's a consignment shop.
consignment. Yeah, pre-owned,
pre-owned,
like Louis Vuitton or
Chanel.
Chanel or
They also have
high
some
brand.
Hermes.
Hermes. Yeah, they
Yeah.
do Hermes. Yeah, and the owners are pretty cool too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, those are like bridal thingy.
No way, it can't be 89. It's only 81. It says right there 89.
No, it's
Man.
32 now.
No, that's Celsius. Yeah.
Oh, the bee candy.
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, they make one of the best homemade ice cream.
Let's do it.
Hey, you want to go here? Screw
It's
it.
the bee
You want to? Huh?
candy.
You want to?
I don't feel like eating ice cream, but if you want, then
No,
let's
I don't
go.
feel like eating ice cream too. Never mind, never mind.
Yeah, I don't feel like eating ice cream.
Maybe
right
next
now.
time.
Yeah.
All right, we're now leaving Corona Del Mar, Newport Beach, and we're now entering Newport Coast, Newport Beach. This is where Kobe Bryant lives.
Oh yeah.
Uh-huh. So yeah, we're now going inside Crystal Cove. Too bad we cannot go inside the residential, but we're just gonna go in the shopping center.
Hey, one day.
Hey, you never know, right?
You never know.
Hey, if
one
there's
day.
another recession, who knows, right? Who knows?
Those are the. What's that? Are those houses?
Yes, of course. These are the $3 million homes. It starts from $3 million and it goes up to $20 million. Yeah, so we're just now
Oh,
here.
you know what, honey?
What?
We can eat at one
At
of these
Javier's?
restaurants one day.
Sure. When? And who's paying? Yeah, who's paying?
Of course, you.
What? Then let's just go to our regular $5 meal then. No, I'm just joking. Yeah, sure. One day. Yeah.
Oh, this is nice. You have a ocean view. Oh, there's a small puppy. He doesn't wanna walk now.
Yeah.
Going to Starbucks.
We just got something in Starbucks right now. What's this though? Orange cream soda.
Orange cream soda.
Because they ran out of what's this?
The peach
pi-
syrup and then
the mango syrup. So what do we normally get?
We always get the peach green tea lemonade.
Yeah, but they ran out though. Oh well.
Best? What's the best? Here, try it.
All right, let me try it. It's pretty good. Yeah. So now we're just here walking around Crystal Cove Plaza. Finished going to Gap and it was on sale, right?
Yeah, it's all on sale, but it's not my style.
Yeah, same here, yeah. Yeah, it was pretty good price though.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're now just still walking and walking. Yeah. So now we're just going around now to the other side. Yeah, this place is pretty cool, huh? It's like Fashion Island, huh? Yeah. But yeah, during the weekdays, there's not that many people. But since it's the weekend, of course, there's a lot of people. So yeah, everything here in Banana Republic is 60% off. Oh my gosh. Can't believe. Plus an additional 40% if you're a Banana Republic or Old Navy or Gap holder. So oh my gosh. I can't believe we went shopping and bought a few stuff. we took the bait. Oh no. But it was cool though. 60% off though?
Yeah.
Damn, you can't beat that.
Most of the items.
Yeah, so
that
which
we
one's the
got-
ones that we normally got? Like shirts and dresses,
shirts and
shorts.
shorts.
Yeah, because we haven't been shopping for over a year now, huh?
I know.
Yeah.
And they're like, can we check your car?
Yes, like oh man, it's crazy.
Because I told them we haven't bought anything or haven't used my card for over a year.
Yes, yeah. So yeah, it's been over a year now that we bought anything. Yeah, so as you can see, this shirt I had from like Cotton Up or H&M, had it,
On, I
or
think.
Cotton On for like 2 years now, I think. Yeah. So yeah, oh well. So yeah,
Can we
we're
go
s-
back?
yeah, let's go back now. What? Oh, that's tamarind. Oh no, it's some other. Yeah. So it's just we wanted. What is this place? They have that panoramic Setabella. Happy hour Monday to Friday. Well, guys, that's our adventure right there. So today we went to we got that $6 car wash, and then after the $6 car wash, we went to Balboa Island.
But we didn't.
Go to the ferry. Yeah, because there was a lot of people or a long line.
Yeah.
And then after that, we went to Newport Coast and went around Crystal Cove Plaza. And then we went. We got stuck with that 60% off on Banana Republic.
We got a great. We had like great deals.
Yeah, imagine 60% off. That's a
I
lot.
know, that's
Yeah,
a
so we
lot.
couldn't pass. And then after that, that's it. And then went back here. Well, guys, hope you like our today's vlog. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And thanks, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.